Where you from again?
I come from France.
Yeah, France.
How long have you been living here?
I born here all my
Oh,
life.
you were born here?
Yeah.
Oh,
My house is over there too, you know.
Okay.
But if you don't feel like sleep here, I sleep where I want to sleep.
oh.
I get this place from like a gift from family, you know.
Okay.
I don't buy this house.
This is nice.
Yeah, one night.
Yes.
Other people is here, you know. Germans.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're gone. I don't know where they.
Where's it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. You have mosquito net.
Yeah.
Very happy for that because, you know, I didn't know if you have a lot of mosquitoes here.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah. You can use it if you want. Or you turn on the camera.
And so this is your
This is the bar.
bar.
Yeah.
And do you cook food? Do you cook food here or how would it
To
work?
be honest,
No.
I don't really cook, you know. I just do everything freelance, but I have the facility, you know.
Okay.
That if you really want to cook, it's not a big problem, you know.
Okay.
And fridge is here, you can put things, you know. It's not a problem, you know.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, everything.
Wonderful. This is nice, man.
Eh?
It is nice.
Yeah?
How long have you been doing Airbnb?
Oh, I was from 2016.
Oh, that's a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't
Yeah.
believe that.
Yeah.
Long time.
But I'm doing this thing long before the internet, you know.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
by word of mouth.
I'm sure you're one of the first one around here.
Yeah,
Yes, for sure.
yes, definitely.
We cannot believe you were like online here.
Yeah, man, you're free. Wi-Fi is here too.
Oh, yeah, Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
It is nice next to the river. Is sometimes the river coming
Wi-Fi.
more up? Ah, nice. Very nice. That's unbelievable. So how many person can you host here?
I have 6 rooms, but to be honest, you know.
Mm.
Yes. I can hold like maybe 14, 10 people, 12 people. So.
And yeah, this is cleaning. Everything's outside. It's good. Hopefully, it's not gonna rain.
Well, I don't think so.
You don't think so? No.
What you want to do?
No, I think it's good a little bit of cloud. It's too hot.
Yeah.
Hey.
It's too hot for you.
Yeah, I'm not used to it.
Okay. Well.
And bathroom is over there, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
The camera on.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Because I just have like a red dot
Yeah.
behind.
Yeah.
Like,
I know, man. I know GoPro. I know GoPro.
you know, GoPro?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're like on top of internet stuff, living here in the jungle.
So here it's 2 bathrooms. You have for the lady and this for the man.
For the woman.
Yes, and around here you have the bathroom too for the man. You know, you can shower.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I didn't check. Do you have a towel or you don't have towel?
No.
No, you don't?
No.
Because I don't have towel.
You just do everything freelance, I know. But maybe I can find one
If you,
when I go to the top of the house.
yeah, if you can find one, it
Yeah,
would be
I
nice.
can
I
find
didn't get any.
I can find one and bring one over here.
Thank you, man.
Yes.
Okay,
So
good.
Super nice, you know.
Very nice to relax here.
So, what is your name?
Jean.
Joe.
Jean.
So Joe, welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Without
And-
any doubt or anything, you're welcome to my place.
Thank you. But it is nice. I really like the view and the fact that with the river.
Yeah, man, everything's super nice.
Yeah.
Super real
It
nice,
is.
you know. And the people, when they come here, they get the feelings like home from home. You know?
Yeah.
Because, to be honest, I'm not this type of person who lays out rules and boundaries.
Yeah.
So when you come, you just fit in. You don't ask me if you can take a cup or a plate or a pot. Like I said, it's just home from home. You know?
Okay.
You
Good.
just make yourself feel good. If you want to cook, you just go and cook. You don't have to
Okay.
ask nothing.
And how far is there like things we can eat here? Maybe not.
A shop is right there, you know.
Oh, you have a shop over there?
Yes, but to be honest, it's where you come back from. Which direction you coming from? Port Antonio?
But at the beginning, I come from Montego Bay, but I went to the Blue Lagoon.
Okay,
Over
yes,
there.
yes.
So I come from this way.
Yes, so that's the way now to the nearest food place.
Okay.
Or you can go buffet.
Okay. But now I'm not hungry, but just asking you just in case.
Yeah, no problem, you know. Everything
Okay.
good. Everything
Wonderful.
super nice.
Very. That's nice what you've done. Huh?
Yes.
I really like it.
You can just put
Very good.
everything on the YouTube channel now and show the people
We like it.
what's going on here.
Yeah.
You know? Even tomorrow when the rest of people come, or you can do night when they come in the night. You can still make video if you
Yeah.
want, you know.
Yeah.
If you have
Yeah, I
that
understand here there is no rules.
no, you just freelance, you know.
That's
And do
freelance.
what you have to do. So you
Ah.
can go around the camera
Wonderful, mate.
and
Wonderful.
show.
And you
what's
have
going on.
cats as well?
Yeah, man. I have cat and I have dogs.
Ah. Okay, I'm gonna put my stuff. If you can find a towel, it would be
I gotta go for one now.
amazing because I didn't think about it. And to be honest, I didn't check.
You're just traveling around the island
Yeah.
and making videos.
C'est génial. Là, j'aurais pas pensé qu'il y aurait eu d'électricité. Donc là, c'est un Airbnb chez l'habitant, comme tous les voyages que je fais ici en Jamaïque. Et c'est vraiment génial parce que tu peux voir différents trucs. Donc lui, il vit pas là, mais il vit un peu partout. Et ça a l'air... Ouais, il y a des trucs qu'on a retombés, mais ça a l'air propre. Hein. Je pense que je vais mettre quand même la mosquitonnette, mais ça va être génial de dormir ici. C'est une super expérience. Là, on est tôt dans l'après-midi. Je vais chiller un peu, bouquiner, tout ça. On va voir les toilettes. Ouais, donc ça c'est pour women, ça glisse. Et ça c'est pour les hommes. Oh, magnifique. Non, c'est les toilettes. Oh, j'utilise ça. Et la douche. Par contre, j'aurais bien aimé avoir des claquettes pour me laver là. Dans un environnement comme ça, je préfère toujours être en claquettes, mais il n'y a pas. Pas de claquettes. J'ai une paire de chaussures, 6 paires de chaussettes, 6 paires de caleçons, 6 t-shirts et 3 shorts. Ok. Je peux pas faire autrement. C'est super cool. Hein. Et tu sens que tout est en sécurité. Regarde, on dort sous la protection de Bob Marley. Incroyable. Non, c'est génial. Hein. Je vais me poser là. En fait, qu'il y a du wifi, je vais regarder à quel point le wifi est rapide. Ah ouais. Mais tu joues nous comment du coup? Ah non, c'est pour pas perdre des cartes, ok. Bon, il a toute la panoplie pour fumer. Hein. C'est vrai que j'imagine ces transactions-là. En fait, en Jamaïque, tu pourrais très bien te laver 2 ou 3 fois par jour. Parce qu'il fait tellement chaud, tu transpires tellement. Toi, là, tu sens que tu es en sécurité ici. Toi, contrairement à dans la ville où j'ai loué des logements qui étaient... on va pas dire ça design, mais on va dire plus propre. Je me lançais pas de laisser mes affaires ouvertes comme ça. La porte ouverte, là, j'ai tout laissé. Tu sens que c'est pisse quoi. Ça grouille d'insectes. Hein. Il y a des crabes aussi. Ouais, c'est rempli, c'est que de l'argile tout ça. Donc voilà, je vais dormir là. Demain matin, il faudrait que je me lève tôt. Tiens. Donc là apparemment il a un petit jardin où il fait pousser je ne sais pas quoi d'ailleurs. Faudrait lui demander. So what do you have in the garden over there?
Yes, you know, to be honest with you, you know, I used to make the garden just right there, you know. But I realized that now I have too much papaya, I have too much pepper, and even this ganja seed and all these things and okra. So I realized I need a bigger space.
Okay.
But the people them who know my Airbnb even sometime this year know that place over there where you're talking and asking me about is like a bush. Green like that before.
But
I cut it down now just to get the space, you know. That I can expand more, you know, to plant my food because food is important.
Yeah.
I have to eat what you grow and grow what you eat. That's the only time you can sure what you're eating is when you take it from your personal farm.
That's for sure.
Because they have a strategy going around, even this Babylon supermarket. I was in the US, you know, in November.
Okay. Yeah, that's why you don't have a strong accent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they're playing this mind game with the people. They're still using this fucking Babylon chemical, you know.
Yeah,
but you know, name is very good for defeat human and manipulate human. So
they change our.
They just say it's organic. and
Yeah.
it's not organic, you know.
Like I don't know in Jamaica or United
Yeah.
States, but in general in Europe, when they say organic,
It's 100% organic.
no, it's just how we call this? It's like rules.
Oh,
No, it's like you should not put these chemicals, but this one you can, but not more than this
there
percentage.
they give you a specific amount.
So
to
it's
put.
not like food natural.
I know,
When we
man.
say organic, it's not natural. It's just they control which one there is inside of
Yes,
chemicals, but
yes.
there is still some of it.
Still bullshit, you know.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
one is organic.
Yeah.
This nice, smooth one, they spray all kind of pesticides. So the animal or the insect, we want to call it, so intelligent, you know. So you know from a distance, he must not go to that plant and eat that plant, you know.
So here you have papaya at the moment.
I just trying to transfer some plant over here. You come. So this is where it is now, you know. Yes, like I said, this is where it is now, you know. So I'm just expanding, and like I was telling you a while ago, it over here used to be like this. And now me cut it down, you know, because I need to plant, you know, like I said. So I'm planting marijuana. You can see it, you know, you can only carry.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Papaya.
Papaya grows fast, huh? In 1 year you have already.
Yes, I
Hello.
know.
What's his name?
Peanut.
Peanut.
Yeah, it's my favorite dog.
Oh, Peanut. You good, Peanut?
Yeah. And we have pumpkin. More marijuana.
More marijuana coming.
Yeah, man. and pineapple.
Okay.
Pineapple. All these things coming, you know. Okra.
Uh-huh.
And these are gungo, bean, you know.
Okay.
Bean. You can have your own bean, you know. That
Yeah.
means you don't have to buy nothing, you know. Because, to be honest, I'm planning to get more serious and more organic with my life. That means when I'm cooking now, I just come to the farm and take everything from the farm and cook.
This is a dream, yeah.
That's where I'm
Yeah,
going,
for sure.
you know, to be honest.
You see, the rain came, huh?
Yeah, I know.
I see what's coming.
All is gonna be shiesty rain, you know. So it's good to have you here.
Yeah, it is very nice.
Very nice, beautiful place. You know? The people, when they come here, they love it so much.
It's not everywhere we can be in this type of environment.
No,
next to
no,
the river.
it's not everywhere you can
Not
find
everywhere.
environment like this. Just live in nature.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah, for sure.
'Cause my motto is just wake up and live. You know?
Wake up and live. That's
Just wake up and
Yeah.
live. And
Well,
once you wake up in the morning and wake up in an environment like this, fresh, green and nice on the river, I think you're good.
I think so too.
Yes.
And when you have a word like love everywhere and Mare, we should sleep well.
Super nice.
Very good, man.
And here you can sleep with the door open without no disturbance, you know.
Yeah,
Like I say, I born and
quiet.
grow in this village.
Uh-huh.
And when I was
Yeah,
growing-
because I asked someone where it was your house, and he told me, oh, you have to turn just before the bridge.
Yeah.
And he know you already.
Yeah.
Just it was a guy washing his car.
Yeah. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. Say. It's safe haven, you know. This
Hello.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is my friend from Belfast, you know.
Pleased to meet you.
What's your name?
Duncan.
Duncan.
Duncan, take a seat here.
What's
Duncan.
your name, sir?
Jean.
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 Yeah.
Jean.
Jean.
Oh, my accent is, I'm trying to pronounce it correctly.
You're English?
Manchester.
Yeah, I can hear
Yeah.
a
I
very
don't say
strong
English.
accent.
Yes.
Oh, you say Manchester?
Manchester because from an Irish community in England.
Yeah, I can hear like very strong accent.
Yes. Yes. So it is first time in Jamaica.
And the first time ever anywhere across this globe.
Yeah.
Really?
I haven't
Okay.
left UK and Ireland my whole entire life and I came to Jamaica
Oh, okay.
for my first ever destination.
That's
Yes.
a
So
first nice country to go.
he come here and stay in the Blue Mountain with one friend up there. The guy take good care of him, and then the guy send him over here to me because he booked my place and the Airbnb happen.
Uh-huh.
But him have a little disability which no one plan to have nothing wrong with them in life, but sometimes you never know what's gonna happen to you in life, you know. So I'm here overseeing him, taking the best, good care of him. When he want to go to Port and Town to shop in the supermarket or go to the ATM, I assist him with love, not to assist him for him to give me money, not charging him for nothing. Right, Duncan?
You're right, Chucky.
Yes. I just do it from my heart, taking care of this guy,
It's good.
Yes.
Sometimes it's good to just help without nothing in return.
Yeah.
What?
Just to give.
Yeah.
And basically, me, I'm a giver. But I cannot. But I give because it's in my nature.
Yeah, giving is in my nature. Sharing.
Sharing is caring.
Yeah.
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring at times.
Yeah.
But put limit onto it.
And you got some dreadlocks here in Jamaica?
Yes.
For me, I don't know how you see that, but that's American exploitation.
Yes. Manipulate the people
Mm-hmm.
when the people come. So that's why I keep my Airbnb at one price, People even trying to encourage me, say I must tip up the price more, But I said, no, it's not all about money. It's all about the people.
And make sure they have a good time.
Yeah, I just need a little money, to be honest with
Yeah,
you.
to manage everything.
To manage everything and can pay for the Babylon Wi-Fi and can pay for the water and the electricity and things like that,
And pay for the nails as well,
Yes.
in case something needs repairing.
Yeah, but for me personal, I'm a very simple person.
Yeah, I can see that.
I don't need much to live, to be honest with you, Yeah, man, I don't need much, man.
Yeah.
I can live from 1,000 Jamaican dollar a day easy for me,
Yeah.
Yes, because
You have to buy your food in some specific places.
yes.
Yeah.
Because
So that's why I was trying to explain to Taylor, say, when you're traveling around Jamaica now, freelancing and making your YouTube, never you stop at certain place before you see the price. Because if you try too harder and they realize you don't look like Jamaican. The problem we have here in Jamaica, we can grow everything, but we do not grow everything. What we can grow, we still even import it from America and China and all these
yeah, but
things.
let's say I was thinking about that, but when you speaking about a fish, I'm sure the fish come from just right here. We're in an island, right?
The fish come from the ocean, they just go out there and catch it, But they're gonna, the lowest I know, they charge for the fish by the beach is like 1,000 Jamaican for 1 pound.
Okay.
For 1 pound. So normally, maybe if you're going to the restaurant, maybe you have to pay 2,000.
I paid 1,800 for 1
Close by
pound.
2,000.
Yeah.
And you
But it was not like, maybe you call this a restaurant, but it was on the road. It was not like in a city, it was not in Osorio, it was on the road. And it was just in wood.
I know, man.
It's
shiesty, because to be honest, I was at Rebel Salute, This big concert what they keep with 20 Rebel.
Yeah.
They call it Rebel Salute here.
Okay.
And when me was there, and go to one lady, because they have a lot of stalls to buy some food. When the lady tell me how much for the fish, I get astonished right because I couldn't believe say I'm a Jamaican. And this lady gonna tell me say the cheapest fish she have in this pan here is for 4,000 Jamaican dollar, 3,000 upwards.
This is crazy.
But it's like a trap to
You know, because you know what? Because they try to think in US dollar.
I know, man.
Yeah.
They calculate in US dollar in the mind.
That's like for me when I arrive and I ask for the price, let's say for the SIM card at the airport or to rent a car, and they don't tell me the price in Jamaican, they tell me the price in US. I know things are going to be more expensive. That's what I was thinking.
And guess what? Guess what my problem has been since I've been in Jamaica when it came to money? Trying to charge me London prices.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I'm not from London. I'm from Northern Ireland, which we get a lot less. So I'm basically in Jamaica, I get the same amount as what a Jamaican earns, but in a different currency.
Yeah, but they don't. When they look at you, they don't think about that.
No, no. They have this bad culture,
Yeah.
When they see people a little bit browner, the first thing come to their mind is money,
Alors comme tu peux le voir, il s'est mis à pleuvoir énormément. Et ça c'est génial. Ça permet d'expérimenter la Jamaïque différemment. Le pain est resté dehors apparemment. Bon, je le touche pas, c'est pas trop. Il a une vision des choses qui est freelance. Ça veut dire que tu débrouilles, tu te débrouilles toi-même. T'as pas de. On te babysit pas, c'est pas l'hôtel. Je pense que dans tous les cas ça se voit. Donc là ça a l'air d'être plus sa chambre quoi. Et pour dormir tôt, rien de mieux qu'une grosse pluie. Ça rend la chose très intéressante. Et le dentifrice qui traîne là, sur la table. C'est bien, ça fait très rasta. On est dans l'élément là. Génial. Hello, how are you? Good.
What you might like me? Invite me.
Yeah, it's very nice. Do you have some chips or something? Can I look? Is it good? Ah, spicy. Can I take one like this? Tortilla. How much it is?
130. 120.
120. Ok. Bon, en fait, il y a tous les trucs, les essentiels. This is very useful. If we miss some toilet paper, you're gonna come here.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Okay.
man.
This one?
One and this one.
Ah, ok, one like this. Ça a coûté 3 euros. Yes, this one is good. So, same price, this one?
230.
250.
Uh-huh.
Okay. This is nice. It's close.
One.
But Peanut is good. That's a good dog. You know?
Yeah, man.
Good dog. You are here. I'll buy something for you. You have something for dogs? No? You don't have anything for dogs?
Biscuit.
A biscuit. Hey, come Peanut.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
All right.
Bon, ça fait longtemps que je n'ai pas mangé de chips. Mais je sais pas pourquoi, j'ai un creux aujourd'hui. Ces derniers temps, je remange pas le soir. Mais là, du coup, je vais craquer, je vais manger des petits chips. C'est le fait d'être entouré de mecs qui fument de la ganja en face de la rivière et de rien faire d'autre. Ça me donne envie de grignoter en fait, sans pour autant consommer. Alors, le chemin, surtout quand c'est mouillé là, tu sens que ça glisse de ouf. Regarde ce paysage, c'est incroyable. Incroyable cet endroit. Et tu vois là, on arrive hein, dans des grandes maisons jamaïcaines. Non mais là c'est les maisons qui... Et là on est vraiment sur la côte est, les coins touristiques ils sont à 2 heures de route d'ici. Hein. Là je regarde sur les cartes c'est quoi. C'est super intriguant quand même. Il y a forcément des stars jamaïcaines qu'on connaît pas, au-delà des reggaemen et qui ont dû acheter ces grands maisons. Parce que là, ça représente pas la Jamaïque. Hein. Mais c'est magnifique. Hein. Regarde par où je passe, c'est magnifique. Hein. Ça a l'air incroyable ce. Regarde, on va avoir des maisons extraordinaires. Au bord d'un lac où. Je pense qu'il y a un lac ou la mer, c'est pas bien le GPS. You're responsible for the parking? Really? Yeah. Are you?
So when you come back, you can just leave something. Not. Yeah.
But this is not a good parking.
No man, I'm just look over it in case of anything.
In case what?
A car can lick or something.
See, in case what?
A car can lick a car and drive away.
Oh. Are you sure you're responsible for the parking?
You can ask the guy down there.
Yeah?
Yeah, ask
Okay.
him.
Okay, good. Hein? Ok. Voilà, je suis dans un endroit pas du tout touristique, je me méfie forcément un peu plus. Surtout quand on me dit qu'il y a des vols dans les voitures et tout. Et qu'à chaque fois, il faut faire attention quand on se gare. J'espère juste qu'on va pas me fracturer la voiture. Ouais, tu te méfies toujours un petit peu. Le mec, il s'improvise soi-disant il gère le parking. Il n'y a pas de tarif, c'est sans la négociation ça. Hey, I park just up there, it's fine?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's also a contribution.
No, it's not in front of the ocean, just there is some space.
Yeah, no problem.
It's good. So I guess we have to pay?
Yeah, that's a contribution. We also have maybe a 5, maybe 1,000. I don't know what you have.
The what, 5,000?
No.
I will not give 5, otherwise I come back. You know, in Jamaica, here is not touristic places, but many times I went somewhere and they have $25 plus $10 and I just don't go. I'll let you know, but this is contribution, I like that.
Yeah,
So what is that for? You organize everything?
Bathroom, maintenance of the place.
Okay, good. That's all. Okay, thank you. How are you?
How are you?
Good.
You sign your first name here, visitor's book.
You do registration and stuff?
Yeah, visitor's book. Yeah, that's
it?
Yeah, the male bathroom is over there in case I want to use the restroom.
Okay.
This is the way.
Thank you. Ça, c'est incroyablement magnifique quand même. Intéressant parce qu'ils obligent les life jackets. Hello, how are you? Good? It is amazing, huh?
Oh, go on, you have vlog.
Yeah, vlogging.
Oh,
You live here?
everybody here live.
This is amazing. You come here every day?
Huh?
You come here every day?
Every day, every day.
This is a good life, man, huh?
This is the life.
And can we drink this water?
No?
No? Because it looks very clean, huh?
No, this water is swimming, sea water.
Sea water.
So it's a
That's from the sea?
mixed water.
Mix.
Yeah. So it's not that salty, it's not that fresh.
Okay, that's a mix in between.
Brackish water.
How do you do that?
Brackish.
Brackish.
Yeah.
Brackish water?
It's warm and cold.
Warm and cold. Okay, good. I will experiment. Il y a fish.
Fish, you can jump in, go around and video and see.
Thank you, man.
Enjoy.
Vu que la plupart des Jamaïcains sont stone, tu sais jamais comment interpréter leur regard. Ils ont un regard parfois qui peut sembler être agressif, mais ils sont juste peut-être stone, tout simplement. C'est incroyable. Parce que au tout début de mon voyage, on m'avait dit qu'il y avait des communautés qui n'acceptaient pas la caméra et qu'il fallait que je me méfie. Et du coup, je regarde, mais pour l'instant, tout va bien, mais tu sens qu'il y a des endroits et des réactions. Ouais. En fonction de comment tu réagis, ça change beaucoup de choses. Ouais. Incroyable. Magnifique, hein? Okay, I'm not the only one making video.
Yeah.
I can see that.
They're here from one.
Huh?
They're here from one.
Yeah, because you can make nice picture here.
Yeah, but them are deal with the music with your girl I sing.
The what?
Lady I sing. A song.
It's a singer.
Yeah.
Jamaican singer. So make like a video.
I don't
No?
think she's a Jamaican singer.
It's just a singer.
She's a singer, but I'm not sure where she's from.
Okay.
But they're doing a
They're doing like some video clip.
Yes.
Good. You live here?
No, I work here. I'm a lifeguard.
But you don't live around?
Repeat?
Do you live in this village? Like close to it?
Yeah. I live close by, but not very close. But you know Reach Falls?
I don't know the
Don't
name.
know Reach Falls.
No, maybe
Reach Falls.
I come from this way.
Oh, Reach Falls is an exterior like this.
Okay.
Where everyone go on tour as well.
Okay.
It's have a nice view up there because it have a cave that you swim under the water and go to the cave. So it's a big tourist attraction and everyone come and they went here as well.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
This is very nice, huh?
Yeah, so if you get the time, you should try Reach Falls. I encourage you to come from up that side.
This way, okay.
Yeah, man.
I will check it out. Thank you, man.
Definitely.
Have a nice day, huh?
Definitely. I'm moving.
Yeah.
Guidance.
Thank you. He said He said, yeah, I'm watching the car and...
No, you don't need no one to watch your car. They say you don't need no one to watch it. You're okay, just jump in your car and let's drive.
Yeah.
You don't
That's what I was thinking because maybe he saw me and said like, okay, I can get some money and stuff. But
No, you can't, you're not supposed to pay.
yeah, it didn't seem right to do that, you know?
Yeah, just go in your car,
Yeah.
no argument with him and just drive out.
Okay, thank you, man.
Yeah, don't need to pay no one, okay?
Have a nice day, huh?
Alright.
Thank you.
If you have any problem, you can just come back here.
Ok. Oh, good. Ouais, bon, je lui ai demandé parce qu'il était cool, on a discuté un petit peu hors caméra. Et il me dit qu'il y a. Je lui ai dit qu'il y a ce mec qui watch the car en mode. Je vais pas demander de watcher la car, moi. On va voir comment il réagit. À tous les coups, il est toujours là, il attend que je lui file un truc en fait. Il est là-bas. Je vais partir avant qu'il arrive. Et voilà, je suis parti. J'ai pas besoin de lui filer quoi que ce soit, quoi.